Okay, so we got some lime inside of it. All right. Half a cucumber. Gonna put some fresh ginger. Turmeric. And a portion of fresh mint. One cup of water. Just gonna cover this and blend this for at least 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Alright, lovely. Alright, and that's the way it look right there. So we're gonna blend this up, okay guys? And then we're gonna strain it. Nice one. So just finish blend it. Okay, just finish blend it. We're gonna strain it. Nice one. So this is finished. All right. Lovely. So nice. Then this is it right here. So we're gonna pour it out into this glass. All right. Now, guys, what you wanna do? You wanna drink this Indian Butsa detoxing for at least 10 days. All right. For more tips and more ideas, please follow Chef Ricardo Cooking. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Please enjoy it and leave your comments in the description box. It is an Indian Butsa. Make a nice, lovely drink. So you need some. All right. So stay tuned for more tips and more ideas. Bye-bye.